Namaste friends. Today we will discuss about the 8th house in general. The 8th house by default is considered as the house of pain and any kind of difficulty, be it financial, physical or even mental stress. In this video we will discuss about how you can check if the 8th house is active in your chart currently, and if so, what to do for a remedy. I have created a sample chart here. Now we will see how we can verify if 8th house is currently active. Now click on the DBA tab to bring up the current Dasha Bhukti and Antara that is active. KP Knox will display the significators for the planet, star lord and sublord for Dasha Bhukti and Antara. As per the rule of KP, every planet gives the results of its star lord. So we can see here that Rahu is the planet and Moon is the star lord. So Rahu will give the results of Moon, which is signifying 8 and 10. But for the sake of confirmation, you will always see the sublord. Sublord is the one which determines the final result, which in this case is also Moon, and it signifies 8 and 10. You can also see the table here below, and you notice here that under sublord support 8th house is active. So we can confirm that the 8th house is currently active for this native, whether it is in Dasha, Bhukti or Antara. It's quite possible that the native is not experiencing any kind of pain, or the pain is quite bearable even though the 8th house is prominently active in the chart. I had mentioned earlier in this video that the default for the 8th house, the default signification for the 8th house is pain. However, if a person is not experiencing any kind of a pain, it is quite possible that he or she is already utilizing that house, which means the default has changed. Please note these points. Every house has a default setting and every house has both negative and positive aspects. If we don't utilize the 8th house, the default setting is pain or difficulty. If this native is already doing something related to the 8th house, meaning he or she is already working in a manufacturing company, there is a chance that the 8th house impact has reduced considerably. Let me put it this way. If on a scale of 1 to 10, if you are not utilizing your 8th house, the pain could be in the range of 7 to 8 or maybe even more. But if you are already utilizing it, it becomes far more manageable because the rating could be somewhere between 2 and 3. If, for example, the person is diabetic and he or she is utilizing the 8th house, probably the disease is under control and the person is able to carry on day-to-day life without any problems. However, if the 8th house is not utilized, there is every possibility that this will turn into a chronic disease. So what can we do as a remedy for the 8th house? What are our options? Perhaps the best remedy for this is donation. But the thing with donation is there are a lot of questions that come along with it. Questions like, what do I donate? How much do I donate? Where do I donate? When do I donate? How many times should I do it? Or how long should I do it? It is quite a challenge to answer all these queries. And secondly, for somebody who is already under financial stress, for instance, it becomes even more difficult to organize donation. So what is the next best option available? We had mentioned previously about house utilization. So let's talk about house utilization technique. There are plenty of things that fall under the domain of the 8th house. For example, astrology, technology related things, audit, taxation, insurance, and even research. If you can incorporate any of these things into your daily life, it will bring about considerable reduction in the impact of the eighth house. If this can be part of your profession, well and good. Otherwise, it still doesn't matter as long as you incorporate them on daily basis. You can read about things like you can pick up astrology books and start reading, or you can read more about taxation. Do any kind of research. It will considerably help you reduce the impact of the eighth house in your life. If you can't pick up books, just try to spend some time online reading more about these topics. You can research more about the topics. The key here is to utilize the house. If you utilize it the right way, you will keep things under control. I hope the information that we discussed here is useful to you. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.